Welcome one and all, this is Officer Dan and crew hitting you with another Gktech how-to. This time we're tackling the Gktech R33 R34 Skyline Brakemaster Cylinder Stopper. Woot! Moving on to our signature black box boogie to open combo, we will reveal these fine goodies. Starting with the end plate. This plate touches your master cylinder in all the appropriate ways. Then you get the hardware, which installs the main bracket to the strut tower using the OEM bolt holes. Bonus. Finally, you get the bracket, which stops a ton of Brakemaster movement that has been carefully contoured to fit your strut tower perfectly. We even included the hardware to suit the larger bolt hole with no thread, and, as shown here, comes with the locking nut and adjustment rod fitted for your convenience, just to keep this thing as planted as humanly possible. Why, you might ask? Every single day, across all walks of life, Skyline firewalls are flexing around the globe. You can put a stop to this for a one-time payment of only $48 US to help put an end to needless firewall flex under hard braking. Now, let's get this bad unit installed, shall we? First step is to head to the strut tower and remove the grommets shown here, which have been protecting those threads since the car was born all those years ago. Thanks, Nissan. Pop the bracket over the freshly minted holes, thread the washers and bolts down, then pop the big boy in. Threading on the lock nut from the back side, supporting it, and tighten, then torque to the settings shown right here on the screen. Move over to the other bolts and torque them down as well to these here specs. And then thread the adjustment rod in whilst slipping in that totally appropriate end plate at the same time. You want to get a light amount of pressure on the plate first, then use an Allen key to snug it down. You don't need to He-Man this thing on. Once it's tight, tighten the locking nut down. That's it, you're done. Enjoy the firmness of your new stopping pedal. Every day across the planet, these guys need your help with subscriptions. Only you have the power to click that little red button, so please do before these two go extinct forever. If you can install this, please have a pro do it and or reach out with any questions you may have, as shown conveniently by the email address popping up now. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and I only flex in real life Zach with another Gktech how-to. Peace.